Welcome to Cruise Auctions. I am Josh, and welcome to Auburn, Indiana, the home of the classics. We are in a classic, a 1936 Jensen-Ford flathead V8 power Ford chassis, but British pre-war coach-built styling. The Jensen brothers did some pretty cool, crafty stuff to this car to make it very elegant, streamlined, smooth, sexy, and definitely unique looking. That really takes it above a lot of the other flathead V8 powered cars of the era. Pretty rare and unique specimen. There were only 30 of these built worldwide between 1934 and 1936. Only 3 of them were left-hand drive US spec cars, making this one pretty darn rare. It sounds great, it looks great, and if you are up here in Auburn, Indiana, and want to see some similar cars, go right across the parking lot to the early Ford V8 Museum. Got to give them a shout out. You find cars like this, but not one of these. Good luck finding another one, and also good luck having another opportunity to own one of these cars, because guess what? This one will be offered at no reserve Labor Day weekend from a private estate collection. So come up to Auburn, register to bid. If you can't be here in person, register to bid online or via phone. We will make sure to help you out. Labor Day weekend, September 2nd through the 5th, to have a chance at a great classic just like the 1936 Jensen-Ford. We will see you then. Give us a like, follow, and a subscribe at Cruise Auctions. We'll see you around.